Alright, it's just a quick little how-to video. So many people always ask how to maneuver through Yahoo Japan auctions. Um, I've been using it for a long time, since the early 2000s, and I don't know Japanese at all. I just kind of memorize my car's kanji symbols. So for a Y32, it's pretty simple. You just start typing in Y32, and then you see all the different kanjis for the Y32 platform. This first one right here is the Cedric. This second one right here is for the Gloria. So then you can click on that, and basically it's searching all of Yahoo auctions for Y32 and Gloria. And then if you're looking for something in specific, so let's say you're looking for headlights. So what I typically do is I'll go and just keep on searching through until I find a headlight. Click on that. It typically will open up in a new window. And now here's your headlight auction for the headlight. If you click on this first link up here, it will take you to like basically all the headlights. And then inside of that, you can put back in Y32, and then I typically just hit search. And now that brings me up all the headlights for Y32. So you can do that pretty much with all of them. You can find body kits that way, and that's how I found my body kit. Interior pieces, exterior pieces. So their listings is pretty deep on some of them. Some of them they really drill down into what kind of like just the name of the listing. So like suspension pieces. So this one here, this opens this up, and then you can click on that. Type back in here Y32. Boom, here's all the suspension pieces for Y32. And you can see there's 10 pages of them. So that's pretty much what I do. And then if you you don't know what all the words are saying here, what I typically do, so I usually use Firefox to browse the auction, and then I'll copy the link, and I'll usually go into Google, because Google always pops up with the translation thing here, and then you can just click English. So then this tells you it's a Y32, SEMA Gloria, front camera kit, tie rod arms, used, starting price. It'll tell you if it's junk or something like that. Usually junk will kind of mean that it's used. So removed from a parts car, Y33 SEMA, rear arm suspension. So it kind of gives you all this stuff. Shipping is 2,800 yen for Tokyo. Then like depending where your person's at getting shipped. My guy's actually in Okinawa, so shipping always costs me a little bit more. But then shipping to the States is cheaper because we use military airmail systems. So, but it's pretty simple. So that's that. That shows you that. The Y32 is really easy because the kanji's there. So when you do it Y32, and then we'll go to Cedric this time, and boom. So I mean, you can kind of look in Cedric and Gloria. Yeah, I mean, if you're looking for like an emblem piece, then obviously the specific vehicle would be better. But they cross over. So, but sometimes you'll find things in the Cedric one that you won't find in the Gloria. So it all really depends on how the person lists it. But basically, you just go through. Okay, we want to find some interior piece. Click on this right here. Put in Y32. Search. And this kind of shows you a whole bunch of interior pieces. And then you can find out, if it's for Cedric, SEMA, Gloria, by just translating it. If you're not sure of the pictures, if it's right, but just showing you all kinds of interior pieces. So that's how I do it personally. For the Honda, for my Beat, I just type in Honda and then B, and then you can see right there PP1. So that's a Honda Beat PP1. That's how I find that for all my Honda stuff. And then boom, you got all your items here. So that's pretty much it. Honda pages, there's not that many of them. So I don't really try to drill down much on the Honda pages, but that's how I get to the Honda Beat portion, just to check it out. But typically, if I do want to look for something like that, so I'm looking for some bracing and stuff like that, so I'd click on this, and typically I would put just PP1, because most of the people are going to list the Honda Beat, and then they're going to put the PP1. So if I do drill down, and I'm looking for, like in this case, this is how I found some of my suspension braces that I bought. Like for instance, I bought these here. I got that one. I'm going to buy this one soon. So, but that's pretty much it. Like I say, if you want to translate it, you use Google Chrome, paste it in there, and then the option will pop up. Translate. That's it.